Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I am Nasser and today I'm going to be reviewing the Mi Powerbank 3 Ultra Compact. So let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, so you can read some information about the powerbank here. Let's open the box now. The box comes with a Type-C cable, the power bank, and a few documents. And the other one is still in there. So it contains the user manual and the warranty notice. The quality of this power bank is quite good. It is made of plastic, but the plastic is very durable. The design of this power bank is very simple, but it looks quite modern. It also has some safety features which protect this power bank and the devices that are charged through it. The safety features should be on your screen now. My previous experience with Mi's power bank has been quite good. I have two other power banks from Mi. One of those I bought almost 2 years ago, and the other one I bought like 3 or 4 years ago. Both of those are working fine, and I have not faced any problem with those. So I personally really like the quality of Mi's power bank, and I expect the same sort of quality from this power bank. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the specifications of this power bank. This is a 10,000 mAh power bank and it has two Type A ports. These ports port 22.5 watt of output. This is a micro USB port and it supports 18 watt input. This is the USB Type-C port and it supports 22.5 watt of input and output. So if you charge this power bank with a 22.5 watt charger, it will charge in almost 3 to 3.5 hours, which is quite good. The size of this power bank is very small and it is also very lightweight. It weighs only 200 grams, which is really great. It can charge your smartphone almost 2 to 3 times depending on the size of the battery of your smartphone. So this side of the power bank has 4 LEDs and these light up when this button is pressed. Each LED indicates 25% of battery. So right now 3 LEDs are blinking. That means the charging is between 50 and 75%. If 2 LEDs were blinking, that would mean the charging is between 25 and 50%. And if 4 LEDs were blinking, that would mean the charging is between 75 and 100%. If I plug in the charger, the third LED blinks. That means that the charging is between 50 and 75%. And once the charging goes above 75%, the fourth LED will also start blinking. I will plug in some devices now. So as you can see, the fan is spinning. the Mi Band is charging, and this is also charging. So it can power 3 devices at once, but if you power 3 devices at once, then the total output is divided between the devices, so none of the devices can get the full output. This is a great power bank to use with the Quest 2. The reason I bought this power bank was to use it with my Quest 2. So here's my Quest 2, and I am using the Halo strap. I bought it from AliExpress, and I got a mount 3D printed for it. It can be easily attached to it by moving this Velcro and attaching the mount. So it has been attached. Then it allows attaching the power bank with this with Velcros. This attaches the power bank very firmly to the VR. I have used it quite a lot of times and it has never gotten loose. This power bank works quite great for VR because it is only 200 grams. If a power bank weighs more, then it would be difficult to wear the VR. So a lightweight power bank works very well because it actually acts as a counterweight. So instead of having all the weight on your face, it balances out the weight and the weight moves to the top. So this works very well with that. There are other power banks, lightweight power banks in the market, but I couldn't find many good power banks in my country, so I bought this one. And the other power banks from other companies are quite expensive as well. This wasn't too expensive. This was about $17, so that was also a great selling point for this, for me at least. And if you don't want to use the power bank like this, or if you don't have a mount, or you don't have a strap which supports a mount, then you can just put the power bank in your pocket. I have used the power bank like that before many times. So I just put the power bank in my pocket and then run a cable from the power bank to the Quest. So if you are searching for a lightweight power bank, then I would recommend this one. It isn't too expensive, whereas the lightweight power banks from other companies are a bit too expensive. It has a lot of safety features, so you don't have to worry about this exploding or anything. It is also great for carrying it in your day-to-day life. It has a great build quality as well. So overall, I really like this power bank. It works very well for wireless VR. So yeah, that's about it for this review. If you like the review, remember to subscribe to the channel. If you want to like and comment, then you can do that as well. I will see you in the next review. Thanks for watching. Take care.